Japan. This is a AKA in Nigeria. Will come and ask you, do you say Alaji? Will come and ask you about your working systems.
So, hi friend. Cannot access the light, but the one is chipped inside the motherboard was not functioning. Today we are showing that how you want to repair the chips in AAK100 engine. You must using your meters to measurement the board. So please let's continue. So I want to show you that how you using your meters to measure your board and use gently. This is a right meter. I want to show you that how the problem is detected inside the motherboard. 0.5, 0.0. This board is not functioning. 0.0. This board is not functional at all. The board is not functional. So today I want to show you that how you want to solve your problem. Motherboard. This is a cooling. This is a fan, so that you can screw. You can screw the cooling fan, and then you can come out the processor. This is a central processing unit. This is a processor. You have it many types. This is a 004. You have a 001, 002, 003. This is a 004. So I want to show you that make the motherboard is working.